The old man was asleep. The boy saw that he was breathing. And then he saw the old man's hands, and he started to cry. He went out quietly to bring some coffee, and all the way down the road he was crying. Many fishermen were around the skiff, looking at what was beside it. And one was in the water, his trousers rolled up, measuring the skeleton with a length of line, and preparing to take off the head and the bill. The boy did not go down. He had been there before.